Welcome, today I am with NOKIA XR20 and I'll show you how face unlock works in this smartphone. So I'm going to make a few tries and let's see how it performs. Okay, so as you can see, it works not that bad, but I thought that it would be a little bit faster. For me, it's the same speed like on the fingerprint sensor that you can find on the right edge in this place. Oh, that's interesting because right now the sensor is not working. Wait, let's make it one more time. Okay, right now it works. So as you can see, the speed is very close for these two unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.